Good morning.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. We are leaving Mina. We were out here on this big, huge lot. However, it seems as if all the trucks and stuff parked
US 95
over there in and around where we parked. So we know next time, if there is a next time, to park down this way. This way. It was pretty good up until around 3 o'clock this morning when a truck pulled in and it ran all night long. All the rest of the night long. So that wasn't too fun, but we got some sleep. Hopefully tonight will be better. We are headed to Urington, to the infamous Sage Crest Drive-In. I wonder what's playing tonight. Mina frequently has little tiny earthquakes, like 2, 3, something. I was hoping we would feel a little something because we have felt those kind of low seismic events before, but nothing, not today. But they've been having them up at Urington too, so we'll see if we feel anything in Urington. Probably not. All right, got a couple-hour drive today. Let's go.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Well, we are arriving at the drive-in and I don't see any fences or any other RVs here today.
Is this ours?
Nope. Yes. Yes. It's hard to tell. Hooray! Alrighty. We have arrived.
You have arrived.
Thank you. Alrighty, gotta get ready to get set up. We are the only ones here right now. Yay! Okay, we are going to check our level our way, the way we've been doing it with our level.
With our bubble. And we are almost level.
Almost.
It looks like driver's side needs to be raised ever so slightly.
Ever so slightly,
Ever
yeah,
so
if
slightly.
at all. Okay, so we have a new leveling device we were asked to try. So we're
Beech Lane.
Beech Lane. So we're gonna press next. Unassign, that's it right there. That's what it looks like in the house.
We haven't named it yet. Okay, we're connected.
Connected. Done.
And it is telling us the driver's side is a half an inch
low.
low.
Yeah, driver's side low.
Driver's side low, which is what we figured out with our little.
Yep.
And
then the front is low.
Of course,
It's not that low.
Of course, we don't know that according to the ground level.
No,
so
the picture.
Oh no, it doesn't look like that. But anyway, go back to roll.
Okay.
Roll is left to right, so driver's side's about a half an inch to 3/4 of an inch low is what it's telling us. Hold this.
Okay.
However, we think
We're level.
we're level. Ever so slightly. So really, we're not going to put any pads underneath that.
No, we're okay at this.
We're okay.
0.5. Yeah. Yep. So now we need to see front to back, doing it our way manually with our level, and we do it right here in front.
And the front is low, and it needs to come up to that. Can you see the bubble?
Yep.
So that's where it is right now. So I would say
The phone's telling us it's off 2.
I would getting ready to say I think it needs to come up a couple inches.
Yep. All right.
All right.
That's what this says.
So the Beech Lane says it needs to come up a couple inches.
All right. Let's see when we do that if it agrees with us.
All right.
Okay, so we have unhitched. Now let's see how much we have to adjust. So according to our level,
We need to raise the front.
we need to raise it.
I would say half inch to an inch.
All right, let's check the app.
Let's
see what
check
it
the app,
says.
see what it says. You may have to get into the shade so we can see it.
Oh, look, it says we're level.
All right.
Front
So
to
the,
back, it
so
says
the
we're
app
level.
is saying right now it's level. However, our way still says we need to raise it.
Just a little
At
bit.
this point, since we're going to use our way because we're new to this and we're not sure if we hung it properly and mounted it properly.
Correct. So we're doing this a few times and it'll give us an idea. So this is our first try using this. So it's not permanently mounted yet. Okay, so we are trying to install the leveling system that we got sent to us from Beech Lane. It's a RV leveling system. And so it needs to be level. Right there, right? Looks level.
Looks good. Oops.
Oops, I just bumped it. I am not an expert. I play one on YouTube.
Yes, we do.
Okay.
Really, just put one screw in and then we'll level it. Oh, there you go.
Okay. So now I need something to mark with this, so I need my little pokey tool. All right, so I've got my pencil mark on the wall right there. And I'm going to take it right there. That moved quite a bit. Okay, right there is one. So all I need to do is one to start off with. Okay, I've got the little dinky tiny screw that they gave us. Going back to my pencil mark here. And I've actually made the hole a little bit bigger with the pokey tool. All right, so right there. And this. Come back. Let's see if I'm in that hole. Yep, I am. Okay. Okay, I've got the first screw in. It's not all the way tightened so that I can adjust this to make sure that it is level. Let's see. Right here. Now I'm going to make another hole. Okay, now this dude is all secure on here. We're going to put the little cover on it. It just snaps in. There we go. Okay.
So we have the device sitting on the wall. Now we need to recalibrate. So we go to settings. We have it set for fifth wheel. We have our trailer width, our trailer length all set. We're going to save all of that. Trailer settings updated. Go to the device. We are going to leave it the name unassigned, but we're going to start calling it Talo. So we're going to save that. Now the trailer is level. We set as level. Are you sure you want to set this device as level? It cannot be undone. Set as level. Level set. Save everything. Let's back out. Look at that.
Woohoo! There's the roll.
There's the roll.
Pitch.
Look at that. We are perfectly level the way that we sit right now.
All right. So we will test this again the next place we go.
Mm-hmm.
So Beech Lane RV Leveling System. Well, good morning, everyone.
No, it's not.
Today is a travel day, and look outside.
Nothing like tearing down and putting crap away in the rain, eh?
Yeah, and you know what? We really don't have to do that. We just wanted to travel on a Sunday and not a Monday. So we didn't want to be in traffic or bad traffic. So now we thinking we're gonna just sit here in the truck for a little while.
It's supposed to pass in a few hours. Fingers crossed.
Alrighty, so let's just see what we have fun in the truck. And we're supposed to go dump tanks too.
Not supposed to. We're going
to dump tanks before we leave town.
Yeah.
So down the street. So it's just raining harder. It started out as just a light sprinkle.
It's
and then
doing
it got...
exactly what it was supposed to do. 8 to noon, moderate to heavy rainfall.
Uh-huh.
Gee, it's 8:45.
Uh-huh. Yep. I think I'm going to unzip Kaylee so she can get out of her room if she wants to. Here.
Oh, gee, thanks.
Well, we're driving. We did get our tanks dumped while there was a little tiny lull in the rain. It was drizzling, but so we're driving, and if at any point we feel uncomfortable and don't feel safe, we'll just pull over and hang out in the truck for a little while. We are always prepared with food and water, and we're comfortable in our truck. It's big enough that we don't feel cramped. So we'll just see how it goes. What do we say? It's all part of the adventure. Okay, so let's see what it is doing our leveling method.
We are perfect.
All right.
Now
good.
that's after using our pads,
Right.
which was about an inch that we needed.
Okay.
And when we turned this on a while ago, it did say we needed an inch. It still says
passenger side low, but it's within the green. It's
yeah,
good.
Yeah. So we're gonna leave it, and let's try front to back, which is the pitch. Correct?
Okay. Yep. Pitch. Woo! It's tipping downhill. Oh, I can open that up.
There you go.
Okay.
So we need to raise the front.
Which we always do here.
I would guess we
Okay.
need to raise the front at least 3 to 4 inches, maybe 5.
Yeah, this says 6,
And this
but
says
we'll
6.
see.
So
All right. All right, so we still need to raise a bit. And there we go, we're getting in the green. It's almost there. Almost there. Stop! Okay, we are in 0.5. That says good. I am going to go check the doors like I always do.
okay.
Okay, so let me have it. Okay, so one of the ways that I check inside is our pantry door. Whoops, it's got a can falling down. If it doesn't move, that stays. Okay, pretty good. Now the bathroom door.
It looks low in the front.
Got weeds everywhere.
Yeah, we could probably go up a little tiny bit more.
Go up more.
Stop! He can't hear me. Stop, stop. Okay, the door didn't move, so I pull it out, about 45-degree angle, not moving, and pantry door, not moving. Let's see what this says. We are in the bubble. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. We're not at a perfect 0, but we are good. Good to go.
So there you have it. Beech Lane RV Leveling System. We want to thank them for giving us the opportunity to review this product. We think we like it. We're going to use it a few more times along with our lorry levelers and see which one seems to come out the closest each time. So we want to thank them once again. It's Beech Lane Leveling System, beechlane.com, and we will put a link to them in the description box below. If you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. We need those. It helps us grow the channel just a little bit. And then leave us a comment. Let us know what you think about us and about Beech Lane. You like it? Do you think it's worth it? You just never know. We want to hear what your thoughts are, so let us know below. Thanks for watching. See ya.
Take your banner